Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in 3-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get 2 videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals, and question number 15. Arrange the following fraction in correct ascending order. Discuss this. So we can arrange the fraction only when then these fractions should be in the equivalent fraction or the like fractions. And all the fractions should be like fractions. How can we make the fractions like? First, we will find the LCM of 9286. LCM of 9286 will be equal to 72. You can check. Okay. Now make all the fractions as the equivalent fraction with denominator 72. 9 8s are 8 8s are 64. Now 1 by 2 equal to 72. So 2 3s are and 36 are. Okay. Now 7 by 8. So this will be your 72. 8 9s are 9 7s are 63. 5 by 6 equal to 72. So 6 12s are, so 5 12s are 60. Okay. Now check. How can we arrange in the ascending order? Now all the denominators are same. Arrange it in the ascending order. Ascending means smallest to greatest. The smallest is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 less than 5 by 6 less than 7 by 8 less than 8 by 9. 1 by 2, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 8 by 9. And it is the numbers are arranged in the same way, but the sign use is wrong. That's why we will go with the option C. So 15th answer is option C. Question number 16. Identify the wrong statement in the following. 7 by 4 divided by 4 by 7. It will be your 7 by 4 multiplied by 7 by 4. Yes, the divisor is reciprocated. Numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. Okay, true. 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 equal to 14 by 8. No, denominators won't be added as it is the total number of parts. So 7 plus 7, 14 upon 4 it should be. Option B is the wrong one. Rest are the correct. The 16th answer will be option B. Okay. Question number 17. What should be added this kg to get this hectogram? So to find the we have to just add in kg to hectogram. So it's better to convert kilogram into hectogram. Okay. So we know the poem milli, centi, decigram, deca, hecto, kilogram. So 1 kilogram equal to 10 gram, 10 hectogram. So 39.685 kilogram equal to 396.85 hectogram. We have to make it 400 hectogram. So to make it 400 hectogram, 400 minus this number. So to minus 8, we have to make the decimal as equivalent decimal. 400.00 minus 396.85 5, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 8, 1, decimal will be here, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 9, 0, 0, 3.15 hectogram it is, because we are calculating in hectogram. So 3.15 hectogram is in the option number B. 17th answer is B. Question number 18. 1/4 of an amount is added to 1/5 part. So 1/4 means 1 by 4. 1/5 means 1 by 5. This will be added as 5 by 20 plus 4 by 20, taking as the common denominator. This is your 9 by 20. So 9/28 it will be 9/5, no, 1/5, no, 9/20 of the amount, 1/9, no, option C. 18th answer will be option C. Question number 19. 1 by 11 equal to x by 121. तो पहले 1 by 11 equal to x by 121. This implies x should be your 11 because 11 11s are, so 1 11s are it should be, and x equal to 11. Now 1 by 11 equal to 132 upon y. In this type of question, we always try to make the equivalent with the lowest fraction or the simplest fraction. Simplest fraction is 1 by 11 here. ठीक है? Now 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 132 equal to 132. So 11 multiply by 132 will be your y. So y equal to, multiply this, y equal to 1452. After multiplication we will get this one. Now we have to find x plus y upon 7. So x plus y upon 7, it means 11 plus 1, 4, 5, 2 upon 7. That is your 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 1, 6, 1, 4, 6, 3 divided by 7. 7 2s are 0, 7 9s are 209. This is in the option B. 19th answer is option B. ठीक है? Come to the question number 20. Find the reciprocal of the shaded part in the given figure below. So shaded part, what is the fraction of the shaded part? To first count the total number of the parts to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total number is 14. Shaded part is 8. Reciprocal will be 14 upon 8. Numerator and denominator will changes its position. But there is no answer like this. So we will simplify it. 2 is the common factor between numerator and denominator. 7s are and 4s are. This is in the option C. So 28th answer will be option C. 21st. Which one of the following represents the shaded part shown in the given figure? Shaded part, 2 whole parts are there. So 2 will be as the whole. Now total number of parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 will be the denominator and 2 will be the shaded part. We can simplify this with 2. After simplification, it will be your 2, 1 by 3. This is in the option number B. 21st answer is option B. Come to the question number 22. The ratio between the shaded part of a circle to its unshaded part is 3 by 5. ठीक है? It means circle is divided into 8 part and 3 is shaded and 5 is unshaded. Then the part of the circle which is shaded is actually ratio between shaded part and unshaded part. 3 is the shaded part and 5 is the unshaded part. ठीक है? तो total parts will be, total parts equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8. तो shaded. So shaded part, the fraction of shaded part equal to 3 out of 8, 3 by 8. That is in the option number A. 22nd answer is option A. 23rd, on subtracting 7 by 13 from this we get, let's subtract it, 63 upon 65 minus 7 by 13. LCM of 65 and 13 will be 65 only. So 63 by 65 minus 13 fives are 65. So 65 to 7 fives are 35. Now 13 minus 5, 8. 5 minus 3, 28 by 65. This is in the option number C. 23rd answer is option C. Question number 24. 15.009 minus this plus this equal to what? So let's do this question from left to right. So first subtract it. 15.009 minus 2.61. In addition and subtraction, point will be exactly below the point. Okay? Now there is nothing, means 0. 9, 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 6, 3, 4 minus 2, 2, and 1 here. Then add 12.908. 9 plus 8, 17. Carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. Carry 1, 5 and 2. It is your 25.307. That is in the option number B. The 24th answer is option B. 25. 377.686 in its nearest hundredth is hundredth. Hundredth means this position. This position. We have to round off here. So 377.686. We have to round off here. If we have to round off here 100th position, so we will check the 1000th position. If the 1000th position is more than 5, so 1 will be added in the 100th position. So its rounding off will be 377.69. That is in the option number C. The 25th answer is option C. 26th answer. 600th. 600th means 0.06 because it is the 10th position. This is the 100th position. Plus 5/10 means 0.5 plus 8 ones means 8 only is equal to 0.06 plus 0.5 and there is nothing, it means 0 and 8 is the whole number, so it will written in the whole number side and there is no decimal number, so we can make 0 0 as the decimal number. After adding we will get 8.56. This is in the option number B. The 26th answer is option B. 27th. Write the value of x and y in decimal number and solve x plus y point y minus x. So what is the value of x? Actually 0 here. So देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is divided into 5 parts. So it means it should be 0.2, 0.4. It should be 0.6, 0.8 and then 1.0. X equal to 0.8. And here it is. Now one gap is of 0.2. Okay. Another one gap is of 0.2. So here it will be y equal to 2.4. X plus y. X plus y will be equal to 0.8, 2.4. 12, 2 plus 1, 3, 3.2. and y minus x. So 2.4 minus 0.8, 6 and 1, 1.6. So we have to just multiply it. 3.2, this dot means multiplication, multiply by 1.6. So for the decimal multiplication, multiply both the number without decimal. 32 multiply by 16, that is your 512, 512, and put the decimal after counting the decimal digits. So how many decimal digits are there? 1, 2, 2 decimal digits are there. So decimal will be put after here. 5.12 is the answer. 27th answer is option B. 28th, 2399.9 watt 9 round off to the nearest 100 is 24 100.00. Which among the following digits will replace watt to make the above statement true? It is your 2399.9 watt 9. It is rounded off to the nearest 100. 100 means this position. And it is coming 2400.00. It means 1 is added here. यहाँ पे 1 add हुआ है. And how can we add 1 here? If the 100th place digit is more than 5. Okay? So which one among the following digits will replace what to make it this? So if it should be more than 5, so answer should be 9, because if it will be 9 here and we will round off to here, okay, at 100's place, and there is 2 0, so 1 will be added here, 10, then 1 will be shifted here, 10 0, again 10 0, 4, it will be your 2400. Answer should be C. 28th answer can be your option C. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.